before I start the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Anjali Ahuja. I'm the head of Department Biology in askIITians. Okay, so now dear, first of all understand there are so many nutrients present in our food, right? You people have done in your 6th class components of food. For example, carbohydrate, protein, that include fats, minerals. So for checking different food items, especially for starch, we do know that starch, it reacts with iodine. What is the formula of iodine? I is the symbol I2. Actually, two I molecules are joined to each other. That make iodine. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna check and we will do why that happened. I have these different food items. Let me sit here now. You can see the screen. I have these different food items. This is iodine that I'm using. You can read the bottle. This is paneer, cheese. Actually, cheese is not an accurate word. Indian call it cheese, but this is better we call it as paneer only. What is this? The yellow color thing?
No, is it biscuit crumbs?
Nahi baba, it is besan, gram flour. And I have sugar in the test tube. What is this?
Banana.
What is this?
Potato.
Potato. Correct. What is this?
Flour.
Yes. Now let's test it. Let me open the iodine bottle. So let's take iodine. Let's put it first on
Banana.
Let me put it for a while. Let me put it on the onion peel. And now take the onion and put it on the gram flour. I should have kept it separately, but look at the result on the wheat flour. Let it react. Now I will be putting this in the sugar. Do you see color change? Let's see different result.
But it's like cinnamon powder.
Yeah, cinnamon color. Iodine color is cinnamon only. Color change here.
Ma'am, massive.
Color change here. Color change here.
Ma'am, it's black.
Actually, it is not exactly black.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Now everyone note down your observation. So we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And out of 6 items, I see a color change in basin. Actually, color change, it is also not blue. This is blue-black color. For the flour, just write blue-black color. Okay. Sugar is negative. This sugar is negative. It doesn't have starch. This is also gram flour is also blue-black in color. So you can see it has starch. And also in cottage cheese, nothing. This is also black bluish. This is in potato also black bluish. And guys, banana little is showing bluish black color. Not much, but it is showing. I mean, I don't know whether you're able to see, but are you able to see little bluish color is there? Okay, thank you guys.